Atomic habits and how they can influence your financial life. For over 12 years as an expert in pensions and investment strategies, I've witnessed a fundamental truth that separates those who achieve financial freedom from those who struggle endlessly. The difference doesn't lie in luck or extraordinary talent, but in the daily habits that quietly shape our financial destiny. This understanding forms the foundation of what I call the atomic habits approach to wealth creation: small, consistent actions that compound into life-changing results over time. The financial challenges most people face today stem from a universal problem. We're wired to prioritize immediate gratification over long-term security. We see this in the way people chase get-rich-quick schemes, panic during market downturns, or delay retirement planning until it becomes a crisis. These behaviors create a cycle of financial stress that feels impossible to escape. Yet the solution isn't found in complex investment strategies or secret formulas, but in mastering simple, repeatable habits that align with our strategic investment wealth philosophy. The path to financial transformation begins with understanding how small actions create massive change. Consider how a single drop of water seems insignificant, yet continuous dripping can wear through stone. Financial habits work the same way. When you automate even a small percentage of your income into investments, you're not just saving money, you're building a system that grows independently of your willpower. This automatic approach removes the mental burden of decision-making and ensures consistent progress, regardless of market conditions or personal motivation. Consistency proves far more powerful than intensity when building wealth. Improving your financial habits by just 1% each day might seem trivial in the moment, but the mathematics of compounding reveals its true power. A person who develops the habit of regular investing, continuous learning, and disciplined spending creates an unshakable foundation. They don't need to make heroic efforts or time the market perfectly because their system works quietly in the background, turning small actions into significant results over time. Our financial behaviors are profoundly influenced by our environment, often in ways we don't consciously recognize. The people we surround ourselves with, the information we consume, and even the physical spaces we inhabit all shape our money habits. By intentionally designing an environment that supports financial growth, following wise investors, joining purposeful communities, removing spending triggers, we make good financial choices the default rather than the exception. This environmental design acts as an invisible hand guiding us toward better decisions without constant willpower. The most profound transformation occurs when we shift our financial identity. There's a world of difference between saying, "I want to be wealthy," and "I am a strategic investor." The first is a wish, the second a declaration of identity. When your habits align with this new identity, financial discipline stops feeling like deprivation and becomes an expression of who you are. You'll naturally seek out information, make different choices, and view challenges through the lens of an investor rather than a consumer. Now comes the critical moment: the transition from understanding to action. The gap between financial stress and financial freedom isn't crossed by chance, but through deliberate, habitual steps. Today presents your opportunity to begin this transformation. Start by choosing one small financial habit to implement immediately. Perhaps it's reviewing your expenses, setting up automatic transfers to savings, or committing to daily financial education. The specific habit matters less than the consistency with which you practice it. Surround yourself with others on the same journey. Financial growth flourishes in community, where shared knowledge and accountability create momentum. Seek out groups, mentors, or educational resources that reinforce your new habits and identity. Remember that every expert was once a beginner, and every wealthy investor started with a single disciplined decision. For those ready to accelerate their progress, professional guidance can provide clarity and direction. A consultation with an experienced advisor helps tailor these principles to your unique situation, identifying opportunities and avoiding common pitfalls. This investment in knowledge pays the best dividends over time. Your financial future isn't predetermined, it's being created by your daily habits. The atomic habits approach gives you the power to shape that future intentionally, one small action at a time. Wealth isn't about what you earn, but what you keep and grow through consistent, disciplined habits. The journey begins with a simple choice. Decide today to become the architect of your financial destiny rather than its passenger. If you found this useful, like the video and follow the channel so you will not miss out on any new video release.